For the first one, we had the Go Motion motion detector, and we thought it was really effective because it does measure what you want it to measure, which is the motion of the different size balls. We thought it was efficient because we feel like the kids will be able to learn the concept quicker with the hands-on activity. And it's engaging because it is a hands-on activity, and we thought that maybe in the classroom you could make this even more interesting by giving different size balls and seeing if the size of the balls would affect the motion that was recorded.
In this picture, we're using the light sensor to see how much light is reflecting off of the object, and I believe in the classroom this would be effective because it's measuring the amount of light that's bouncing off of the object, and it's efficient because in the classroom it won't take as much time, especially where you can engage the students by allowing them to work with partners, and it is a hands-on activity, and you can use different materials to allow the students to experience it. With this tool, we measured the friction of the shoe, and it's effective because you are measuring the friction of what you want to measure. It is efficient because it does teach the concept of friction, and it's applicable to their lives, especially if they are to use different objects that they see every day. And it's engaging because you can also have the students choose what objects they want to use, and you can even have competitions to find what object has the most friction.
The first app that we found was an app that covered the periodic table, and we thought that it was effective because it does teach about the periodic table, and it is efficient because you can easily find what you want to learn about by just clicking on the different elements in the table. But we felt like it wasn't really engaging. There weren't really very many animations, and it kind of had a textbook feel in the app, and so we didn't really feel like it would be very fun for kids to learn the periodic table from this particular app. This app that we found is called Early Bird Science, and what it does is it takes different science topics and it explains what they are in really simple terms. And so it's really effective because it teaches what you want to learn about. It's efficient because you get to pick the topic and then they have the explanations for each of those topics. And it actually is pretty engaging. There were some fun animations, there were different things that you can click on, and um, the writing is really easy to understand, so you get to really understand the concept and have fun with science.